Hey, what is good, people? Ben from Lover of Cameras, and yes, I have finally been able to get my perfect camera. Yes, I said it in the title, my perfect camera, the Sony a7S III. And this will just be a quick unboxing. So yeah, let's not waste much time because I'm excited for this camera. Yes, quick context. I have been using Fuji over the past year since July 28th, 2020. Last year, I've been on the Fuji X-T4 as my main camera. I still have my X-T3 as my B camera, but I switched from my X-T4 to the Sony a7S III. Now, I will do a 1 year later review on it because I still have thoughts on the X-T4 and why I switched, but not wasting much time. As someone that shoots a lot of video, I'm so hyped that I've been able to have the opportunity to upgrade to the a7S III. So pretty much getting straight into it, man. When you're unboxing it, it's well packaged, and when you open it, you do have some instructions in there as per usual, all the usual jargon and stuff. Lots in there. We're gonna pluck that to the side, and as we're going through, you pretty much get a USB-C to USB-A cable. It's got the blue color in there, so it is USB 3.0, so good transfer speeds there if needed to transfer directly from the camera rather than the SD card reader. And then you've got a cable clamp, which is fantastic to see, so it really helps to secure your cables in a good place when you have. And one thing I do love is the fact that the flaps and the doors and whatnot are really well put together, and the ports that come with it. Then there is a battery charger. I kid you not, this is a great thing because most camera manufacturers at times do not give you a battery charger, and thank goodness for how expensive this is. I appreciate that it does come with a battery charger. Here you got the camera strap. Don't really use the camera strap that comes with these cameras. I tend to use my own Peak Design one, so pretty much put that through there. And then the camera body itself, oh, the a7S III, man, beast of a camera. Been waiting 5 years for this, as it came out last year, July. It's been out for a year and I've been able to get it now. So we'll put that to the side for the moment. And then you've got the MPFZ100 official battery. These are hard to find, so it comes with one, and this is what really gives that great battery life, and I believe first introduced on the a7 III. So good to see that continuation here. The battery is pretty much going to be good in that sense when recording a lot of video, which is what this camera is focused on. And then you have then got the UK charging plug head, and again, I'm based in the UK. You get the European and the UK charging plug head in there, and it's detachable from the battery charger station. And pretty much that is the unboxing. But we come back to the main camera body, the a7S III, as we take it out, and oh my goodness, I'm so hyped for this camera. The packaging already, when I'm holding it, man, it feels so solid but yet so compact. Like, it's just amazing to think that this is a full frame camera, and you do have a great grip. You do have the fully vari-angle articulating screen, and then in terms of the ports array as well, you've got a full-size HDMI port, which is a big deal for me, having gone through so many years of shooting with cameras that have micro HDMI cables. To have a camera that has a much more secure connection with a full-size HDMI cable is amazing. And just how the flaps are, the layouts of the ports, it just makes such a good experience with how things have advanced with Sony's body design. They've stuck to the same nature of having a compact body, but with the benefit of having pro features. And I'm really happy I've got this. I know people will talk about, hey, I got it for 10-bit 42 and all of that. No, I got this as a workhorse camera to be reliable. I didn't really care too much about the fact that it's full frame, which is a nice benefit anyway. But I got this as a workhorse camera because I'm producing video across so many different platforms on YouTube as well as outside of YouTube when I do my client work, and I really need something that was like really reliable. So this is the a7S III. Definitely watch out for my 1 year later review of the Fuji X-T4 and why I decided to switch, even though I still have the X-T3 as my B camera. What my thoughts going forward in terms of the camera releases from Sony, and also just my overall experience with it. And I should and will be giving my first impressions of the Sony a7S III. Let me know in the comment section below what content you would want to see. And again, more things are geared towards video production. And if you enjoy videos like this, you know exactly what to do. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on Lover of Cameras. And I will see you next time.